Hey friends, if you want to know how you can fix the Valorant error code VAN79 on your Windows, then please watch this video and I will guide you on how you can fix this. So first is we need to make a restart of our computer. So close your Valorant application first and then make a right click at the start button, shut down or sign out and then restart your computer. And then right after you have restarted your computer, see if the problem has been fixed, but still if the issue persists, then we need to run some commands. So type here cmd. On the right pane, select run as administrator. Then here you have to follow me for the commands. Type here natsh. It's natsh space winsock space reset and hit on enter. Next is we need to type ipconfig space / flush DNS and hit on enter. Once done, just type exit and hit on enter. Right click at the start button, shut down or sign out and then restart your computer and then see if the issue has been fixed. Next method is we need to click on the start button, go to settings. On the left pane, click on the network and internet. Scroll down and click on advanced network settings. In here, you have to look for network reset. This will remove and reinstall all your network adapters and set other networking components back to their original settings. Click on reset now. If you click on yes, your PC will be restarted and you just have to go with that. Next method is we need to look for the Valorant on the desktop icon. Right click, select show more options. Then click on properties. Here you have this compatibility tab. Make sure to check this box for disable full screen optimizations and run this program as an administrator. Click on apply and then OK and then try opening your Valorant application. And the last method is we need to click on the start button, go to settings. On the left pane, click on Windows Update. We also need to make sure that our Windows is updated, so just click on this check for updates. So once done, close this and then just make a restart of your Windows, shut down or sign out and then restart your computer. And then after you have restarted your computer, try to see or try launching your Valorant application and see if the problem has been fixed. So if any of those methods helped you in fixing the issue, please do not forget to hit the like button and please also subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.